Jim, today is Wednesday, January 1st, 2025. Happy New Year and welcome to another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis with Professor Cage. I'm an investing master at the real world and I am one of the best when it comes to doing analysis. My job is as a professional researcher to look at everything जो मार्केट में हो रहा है, what is happening around the world, जो मार्केट को कैसे impact करेगी, what is going to happen टुमारो, नेक्स्ट वीक, नेक्स्ट मंथ, 3 मंथ्स के बाद, एवरी सिंगल थिंग. मेरे पास कोई क्रिस्टल बॉल नहीं. इट इज दैट के आई लुक एट थिंग्स जो बाकी 99.9% लोग नहीं देखते, एंड देन वी एग्रीगेट एवरीथिंग टुगेदर टू फॉर्म द बेस्ट प्रोबेबिलिस्टिक आउटकम विच इज गोइंग टू हैपन. और उसके हिसाब से हम खुद को पोजिशन करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंफॉर्मेशन वी हैव, एंड ऑल्सो हमारी डिसीजन मेकिंग डिपेंड करती है ऑन द एलीट मैथमेटिकल स्ट्रेटजीज जो हम डेवलप करते हैं अपने ट्रेडिंग डिसीजंस लेने के लिए. सो आई ब्रिंग यू द बेस्ट पॉसिबल क्रिप्टो एनालिसिस जो इंटरनेट पे आप फाइंड कर सकते हो. विद दैट, विदाउट एनी फर्दर वेट, लेट्स गेट स्ट्रेट इनटू इट. दिस इज द रफ स्ट्रक्चर जो मेरे एनालिसिस का होगा. सो सबसे पहले I'm going to cover market analysis, which is going to be macro, long-term things, and then it is going to be daily levels, which is going to be medium and short term. Then I'm going to look into the meme market, और उसके बाद I'm going to give you an outlook and then some recommendations. सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि जो भी मैं बात करता हूं अपने एनालिसिस में, ये बेस्ड है in the context of what I teach in my masterclass. So I have a masterclass जहां पे मैं आपको एक बिगिनर से, एक गैम्बलर से, एक एक्सपर्ट में कन्वर्ट करता हूं. देयर आर रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स ऑन ऑल द टॉपिक्स एंड आई एम देयर टू गाइड यू एवरी स्टेप ऑफ द वे. मैंने कंप्लीट गाइडेंस प्रोवाइड की है जिसको फॉलो करके यू कैन बिकम एन इंडिपेंडेंट एक्सपर्ट इन क्रिप्टो, जिसका मतलब कि आप खुद के डिसीजंस ले सकते हो फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन विद दिस? जस्ट वांट टू जूम इन, कम ऑन. ओके, यू कैन मेक इंडिपेंडेंट डिसीजंस फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. आपको किसी को सुनने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, अंदाजे लगाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, आपको गेस करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी कि ओके व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन दिस एंड दैट. नो, आप श्योरिटी के साथ पैसे बनाओ. आप अगर किसी चीज में इन्वॉल्व हो, क्रिप्टो मार्केट में इन्वॉल्व हो, 99% ऑफ द पीपल इन दिस मार्केट दे लूज देयर मनी. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको ये नहीं पता कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं, उनको कोई श्योरिटी नहीं होती. वी डोंट लूज बिकॉज हम श्योरिटी के साथ पैसे बनाना चाहते हैं. हम श्योरिटी के साथ इस मार्केट में विन करना चाहते हैं. वी वॉन्ट टू बी द 1% दैट एक्चुअली मेक्स मनी विद श्योरिटी. सो आई हैव अ मास्टर क्लास जहां पे आई गाइड यू स्टेप बाय स्टेप, every step of the way to become an independent expert. And जितनी देर आप लर्न कर रहे हो उतनी देर मैं आपको सिग्नल्स प्रोवाइड करता हूं, उसके बाद भी प्रोवाइड करता हूं. लेकिन द थिंग इज कि आई प्रोवाइड यू ऑल द सिग्नल्स. व्हाट डिसीजंस एम आई मेकिंग, meme coins, altcoins, all of it. In fact, there are a lot of meme coins जो कि मैंने 2 दिन पहले मेंशन किए थे. They went like 9x. एंड देर इज वन, और वो मैंने एनालिसिस में भी शेयर किए थे जो यूट्यूब पे पोस्ट है. आप अगर कल की वीडियो में जाके देखो, आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट सम कॉइन्स, सम टोकन्स विच हैव एब्सोल्युटली डन इनक्रेडिबल. और उनमें से एक के बारे में या फिर 2 के बारे में आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट इन द एंड or somewhere in the middle. So make sure that you are watching the analysis completely to develop the better understanding, the actual understanding of the market and what we do. And to join my masterclass, DM me. This is my Instagram username. आप मुझे यहाँ पे DM कर सकते हो to join the masterclass, and you can join the Discord community जहाँ पे मैं सभी signals provide करता हूँ, and then आप learn कर सकते हो to become an independent expert for the rest of your life. So without any further wait, let's get straight into the analysis. First, we're going to look at the market, what market is doing. Bitcoin is consolidating nicely, जो कि हम बहुत देर से cover कर रहे हैं. Again, मैं जो भी यहाँ पे बातें करूँगा, these are going to be in context of what I'm doing every single day. So मैं again हर चीज को repeat नहीं कर सकता कि मैं यहाँ से कह रहा हूँ we are in the mean reverting market state and Bitcoin is going to do this. लेकिन मैंने यहाँ से lines लगाई थी कि yeah it is going to do something like this, and वो यही हो रहा है. अगर आप डेली बेसिस पे देखो तो आपको साथ साथ पता चलता रहेगा कि मैं क्या कहता हूं, और वैसे ही होता है. अगेन आई डोंट हैव अ क्रिस्टल बॉल, आपके सामने है जिन चीजों को देख के मैं उनकी बेसिस पे ये सब कहता हूँ। बिटकॉइन इज कंसोलिडेटिंग नाइसली, और मैंने ये कहा था कि डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनी मैसिव अपवर्ड्स मूव्स वेरी सून। And Ethereum, total market cap, everything is consolidating very nicely. Doge is also dodging right in this range. Sui, one of the strongest performing token, also holding up pretty nicely. ETH BTC ratio is yeah, chopping around and gonna be continuing to chop around. Solana is also weak, not interested and like agar there is going to be some outperformance in Solana, my systems, I'm sure they're going to give me an entry in there. So uske alawa, the rest of the market is just consolidating, just chopping, and there is very low market volume anyways. लेकिन हम expected है next coming couple of days में, just a couple of days, we can expect massive market volume because there are going to be liquidity injections, and with that we're gonna get straight into the things we want to talk about regarding liquidity. Let's see here. मैं डेली बेसिस पे इसको कवर करता हूँ. You can see the RRP has increased a lot, और ये हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे from many weeks, and we have also massive decline in the Fed net liquidity, जो कि हम काफी देर से एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे. So it is funny, it is absolutely hilarious. Let me open the FedNet liquidity proxy on TradingView. Oh, it is not at where it is gone. Yeah, this. Here we go. So you see, मैंने ये लाइन ड्रॉ की थी कब? यहाँ पे somewhere, no, somewhere around here, अक्टूबर में मैंने ये यहाँ पे ड्रॉ की थी. That we are going to expect this liquidity drain, and then we're going to have the massive liquidity injections. And I want to do another type of analysis on this, which is if I pull up total crypto market index on here, load up, you can see these areas, these type of massive declines. Then not this, because this was the bear market, but we are in a bull market right now. Then this, then this, then this, and this, and this. You can see ये जितने भी areas मैंने mark किए हैं, highlight किए हैं, इसके बाद we have had, if I can pull up another color, इन सब के बाद all of these periods have led to these increases. Just not this, because this was the bear market again, and this decline led to this decline led to this decline led to this, and this decline led to this. So not about leading into this, but this is more indicative of marking the bottom. So sufficient enough to say that we can expect the prices to be bottoming out somewhere around these areas. If I can get rid of all of this, bear with me. I know these things take time. So expect price to be bottoming out somewhere around here. And this can very well go further down somewhere around here, which is going to take 1 or 2 days, and यही हम expect करिए. मैं उसमें बाद में जाऊंगा कि what am I expecting anyways, और वो मैं last 2, 3, 4 days से कह रहा हूँ कि why am I expecting Bitcoin to slightly go further down. So yeah, in context of this, the bottom is very near. Just a couple of more days of the decline or consolidation, maybe perhaps, and then we're gonna go into this area back. कर सकते हैं. You have to take it seriously. You have to pay attention. You have to understand with passion कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. और ये चीजें मैटर करती हैं. This is why 99% of the people they lose their money, क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि this is all bullshit. This is not, absolutely not. Just pay attention. Again, RRP Looking at RRP, this massive increase in RRP, I'm gonna go to, you can see we have, oh no, this is not the right chart. Okay, here we go. You can see we have a cyclicality, seasonal cyclicality here. So this is probably going to go down, and which is going to compel liquidity injections again. And liquidity is, by the way, required. If we look at, we're gonna get into the Kikius Maximus later on. Sabse pehle, I'm gonna look at the analysis, a new post from my G Thomas, who has also been saying this. China announces big liquidity injections today. The people PBOC announced it injected a 1.4 trillion yuan into money markets in December. This was conducted through its new outright reverse repo tool, which it introduced in October. So we have been expecting China to inject liquidity. As you can see, PBOC total liquidity injections in RMB, this has spiked massively, and China is waiting for basically Trump to get into the office and see कि वो क्या decisions लेगा, so they can start injecting liquidity. And you can see China liquidity proxy here I have in on the trading view. If I pull up it on 1 week, you can see this is the area where we can expect it to bottom out, and we can also be expecting China to be injecting the liquidity so it can go massively into the next leg, something like this, because of course they cannot afford to uh, they cannot afford कि इतनी liquidity market में उनकी drain हो जाए. So they need to start injecting the liquidity, and this is going to have massive, this is going to have massive effect on the crypto markets as well, because liquidity is the main driver of the market. And like, even if sometimes it is not very important or the fundamental driver, but overall it has the huge impact on the market. Then uske baad we're going to get into some data to see what is going on in the market. Market volume is very low, and funding is getting a little bit of frothy. इसके बारे में we're gonna get into later on. Glitch in the matrix dashboard, इस dashboard का link आपको description में मिल जाएगा. And I'm not gonna go through all the different metrics क्योंकि इनको मैंने कल परसों बहुत thoroughly cover किया था, but all of these are looking like the bottom is very very likely in, or we can see further price declines, लेकिन इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी शार्प. और वो भी मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कि क्यों होगी, जितनी भी शार्प होगी, एंड व्हाट शुड बी लाइक इफ यू सी प्राइस इज गोइंग डाउन, what area should be your buy area. Then we're gonna look at the BTC ETFs. Funny enough, yesterday we had 5.3 million of ETF inflows into Bitcoin, which is absolutely hilarious. Like 5.3 million, seriously, उससे ज़्यादा Ethereum के थे, like 36 million. This is a joke. This has to be a joke. Average heat is declining. Absolutely good. Fantastic to see. All this is cooled down, and deleveraging sell-off quadrant model. I told you yesterday. I want to see it go into the spot rally. And crypto app ranking also very low, which is also very good to see. Percent supply in profit should be bottoming out here in this area, as you can see with the previous behavior. So this is also telling me that we are absolutely very very close. Stablecoin ratio channel probably going to take a few more weeks before going back to bullish state, while Bitcoin is when let me pull up, while Bitcoin is gonna do something like, and this is what we are expecting, maybe from below. और जैसा मैंने 2 दिन पहले बताया था कि it is going to move down and then move back up, and then it is going to go into this resistance area. And all of your gurus, all of your YouTubers, they're gonna say that is it, we have taken them down, and market is gonna get euphoric. Altcoins are going to move, meme coins are going to move through this phase, and probably expect ke Ethereum and Solana outperform karenge Bitcoin ko through these phases, and the rest of the market, the total three market, is also going to um, outperform Bitcoin. And then it is going to do something like this, and then boom, it is going to go back down. Maybe it is going to do something like this. The decline is going to start around this area जो ये यहाँ पे मैंने mark किया because of the Trump's inauguration. So expect any kind of fuckery like this, and then everyone is gonna say, oh, it was Trump trade and all of it is over, and then it is going to do something like all of this, and then move back up. Expect the worst. Expect the worst. मैं ये आपको सिर्फ इसलिए बता रहा हूं ताकि जब ये हो तो don't get psyoped कि oh, we are gonna go massive into the next leg up, and we are all ready. We might very well, लेकिन again, जैसा मैं हमेशा कहता हूं, I can be wrong but still protected by my systems. Even though 8, 9 out of 10 times I'm right. Not that I'm right, data is right. Knowledge is right. मैं ठीक नहीं होता, data ठीक होता है. And even if I'm wrong, even if Bitcoin goes like this, all good. I'm protected by my systems. They're going to give me entry. They're going to tell me when to buy, when to sell, and this is the beauty of the systems. Then what else do we have? We have covered that. Bitcoin cycle extreme oscillators. I do want to see it stop flashing this overbought signal from a SOPR, spend output profit ratio. Then short-term holder MBRV is going down, or just मैं इसको daily basis पे cover कर रहा हूँ, and I'm telling you that it is probably going to go back down into its mid mean range, so which is sitting around 86, जिसके बेस पे मैंने ये लाइन यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया कि the fair value of the mean of MVRV is at 86, and which is by passing every day it is also moving up. So expect, whoops, what is happening? So this is probably with next couple of days, it is going to probably move back up to 88, and यही मेरा target है, by the way, if prices go down. And I have another reason to say that, और जिसको मैं कुछ देर में cover करूँगा. Short-term holder SOPR is also going down and went down a little bit, और ये मैं आपको यहाँ पे बता रहा था कि it is going to go down to this area and down a little bit and then move back up. So it is going to take a couple of days. And now, liquidation heat maps for Bitcoin, 2 weeks on CoinGlass. Let's look at symbol, 2 weeks. Let's go. Here we go. Liquidations on 2 weeks on the CoinAnk, they are sitting at 90K. And the liquidations on CoinGlass, they are saying that the liquidations are sitting at the cluster of liquidation, the heavy cluster is ending around 88. और यही reason है जो मैं कह रहा हूं कि if Bitcoin is gonna go up, if it is going to go up, it is not gonna go up like this. It might very well, but जैसे market behave करती है before going up, it is probably going to spike down, take these liquidations out. So because market does not give any free ride to anyone, then gonna move up, and जो मैंने आगे बताया था. So this is the reason. Again, हर चीज को एक context में देखते हैं. Focus here. The thing is, मैंने इतनी सब चीजें cover की है, लेकिन हर एक metric, हर एक information, new targets, price targets, new information, different चीजें suggest करती है. The thing is, we look at everything together, and then we, in the end, aggregate them together. हम उस सारी इंफॉर्मेशन को एग्रीगेट करते हैं टू फॉर्म द बेस्ट प्रोबेबिलिस्टिक आउटकम जो कि हमें बताता है कि व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो दीज थिंग्स दे रिक्वायर स्किल. इट इज नॉट लाइक कि आप एक चीज को, दो चीजों को देख लो कि ओ मे बी दिस इज गोना बी इट. जब शॉर्ट टर्म होल्डर एमबीआरवी या फिर वेयर इज इट, या फिर ऑल ऑफ दीज मेट्रिक्स, ओके दिस इज द शॉर्ट टर्म होल्डर एमबीआरवी. आप अगर इसको देखो एंड देन यू से इट इज लोडिंग अप एंड इट इज fucking up my speech. बट अगर आप ये कहो कि नहीं भाई, जब शॉर्ट टर्म होल्डर एमवीआरवी यहां पे आएगा तो इसका मतलब है कि देन वी आर गोना गो मूव अप. यस, बट सिर्फ ये एक मेट्रिक, लाइक वन मेट्रिक इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट. देयर इज होल बंच ऑफ डाटा जिसको हम देख सकते हैं. सो वी लुक एट hundreds of things. We look at all of this, which is not loading. Fuck CryptoQuant. Absolutely, but a piece of shit CryptoQuant is. Load on में it takes too much time. So we look at all of the things, different things, and then we aggregate them together, जो कि हमें सबसे ज्यादा precise और probabilistic outcome बताता है. And this is why we do all of this, what we do. क्योंकि हमें पूरी मार्केट को आउट कम्पीट करना है. हमें मूव होने से पहले जानना है कि व्हाट इज मोस्ट लाइकली टू हैपन, सो हम अपने आप को उसके लिए प्रिपेयर कर सके. दिस इज वाई मुझे एंट्री मिली थी 57K पे, राइट. एवरीवन नोज मुझे मेरे सिस्टम्स ने एंट्री दी थी 57K पे. लेकिन मैं यहां से प्रिपेयर्ड था कि ओके नाउ अ फ्यू मोर डेज, अब मे बी अ मंथ, देन वी आर गोना गो बैक अप. इसीलिए आई हैड कॉन्फिडेंस टू गेट इनसाइड माय पोजीशंस हियर. देन यहाँ पे many of people they thought, oh maybe just another you know in this range it has moved up and then it is now going to go down back here. Everyone was saying this. Lekin I knew, based on the data, the analysis, that nope, we have just started and then boom. And then yahan pe I said to all of my students, prepare yourselves, be cautious, be very cautious. Start to take profits on your leverage positions. Start to convert your leverage positions into spot because market is getting overheated. Aggregate of all the indicators, aggregate of all the information. उसने मुझे यहाँ पे बताया था. And Pico Top was the place where cut we cut all the leverage positions, convert them to spot, reduced our risk, reduced our altcoins holding, meme coins holding, and we went more conservative. Absolutely fantastic. Tell me कि इससे ज्यादा आपको क्या चाहिए, या इससे ज्यादा बेहतर परफॉर्मेंस क्या हो सकती है. एंड थ्रू आउट दीज पीरियड्स मेरे सिस्टम्स ने मुझे बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग टोकन्स बताए कि दीज आर द हाईएस्ट परफॉर्मिंग टोकन्स इन द मार्केट. मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को भी ये पता है, मेरी मास्टर क्लास में सब कुछ पोस्टेड है. सो गाइस, दिस इज इट. दिस इज इट. दिस इज द वे. दिस इज व्हाई वी विन, because just we don't want to lose. We win with passion. We put in the hard work. This is what I teach in my masterclass. DM me on Instagram to join my masterclass. Choppiness index also chopping around, going back up. Gonna take a few more days before it reaches around this area where I'm expecting it to pull back, which is going to compel our prices further up. Then what else do we have? Open interest. Yeah, the futures information. The open interest is declining and funding is rising a little, which is telling me that people are opening up the long positions. People are expecting the new year, the January inflows and all of that, bullish January, and they are probably going to get nuked. Probably, most likely they're going to get nuked. So expect this. Simply expect this, even if it doesn't happen. ये आपको बताने का मकसद ये कि do not open any leverage long positions. This is a great place to be spot long. Great place. Do not be stupid enough to open any leverage positions. Not recommended at all. Because it can very well even do something like this. Are you prepared? Are you prepared? Well, how are you going to feel if it goes up, it psyops you, and then boom, and away we go? How are you going to feel? You shouldn't feel anything because you should follow your systems. This is why we develop elite systems जो कि हमारे लिए हमारे trading decisions लेते हैं, and we don't have to just feel anything. Amazing, isn't it? So yeah. Then what else? Absolute savage Elon Musk, जिसने अपना नाम कीकियस मैक्सिमस कर दिया. एब्सोल्यूट सैवेज एंड कीकियस मैक्सिमस टोकन. ये मैंने कल अपनी मास्टर क्लास में पोस्ट किया था, और उसके बाद एनालिसिस में इसको मैंने बताया था कि आई मिस्ड आउट दिस पार्ट एंड देन आई गॉट माय एंट्री एग्जैक्टली हियर. यहाँ पे आई गॉट माय एंट्री एंड देन बूम, where we go. I took profits. I took a little bit of profits here. Then I took a bit of here. Then I did take a little bit of here. So I still have the position opened, but absolutely fantastic trade. Did post in the masterclass as well. And then जैसा मैंने आपको starting में बताया था, there is another one जो कि मैंने अपनी masterclass में post किया था. It went absolutely behemoth, which is chaos. If it fucking loads up. Other than that, all of the other altcoins, they are going down. Altcoins karo, meme coins, they are going down, they're getting crushed, lekin they should be finding their bottoms. So this one went 9x also, and now it is going down, and probably it is gonna go down. So as ये सैचुरेट मार्केट एक होती है, हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. सो मैंने 27th पे बताया था, दिस इज द प्लेस. सो इन मूव्स के होने से पहले मैंने अपनी मास्टर क्लास में पोस्ट किया था कि डैट पे अटेंशन टू द एआई बेस, AI agent narrative, because they are going to pump hard, and then they pumped, and when people started to chase, now they are going down. And यही होता है सबके साथ के लोग पहले opportunity grab नहीं करते, and when they FOMO in, and people like me, we dump on you. So opportunities को identify करना चाहिए. Do not wait for them to represent to you. Other than that, everything is like looking like horse shit right now. Everything is going down. Nothing very much interesting to see there. So yeah, just guys, मैंने आपको बताया कि what is likely to happen. The perfect thing to do here is, if you want to be spot long, and DCA your capital over next couple of weeks. Okay, do not open any leverage long positions, because you never know, there are liquidations below, and aapne dekha hai कि there is a liquidity a decline in the Fed net liquidity as well. So most likely it is telling me that it is going to nuke people around 90-80k area, 88k area. So just do not open any leverage long positions for a while. If you want to be spot long, um be spot long if you have your 2025 bags. Fill them up if you want. Again, मैं अपने systems को follow करता हूँ. जब मेरे systems कहेंगे, then I will do it. लेकिन उसके अलावा मेरे analysis के मुताबिक, yeah, this is what is most likely going to happen. But also do not expect this to like continue to move up, because there is no liquidity right now unless we have any further information. Bitcoin is going to consolidate and chop around in this area. So just don't get chopped up. If you make money, take quick profits, and just don't let anyone psyop you into believing कि आपको ये token buy करना चाहिए, ये token buy करना चाहिए, this and that, because all of this is trash and they're all gonna go to zero. Bitcoin is king, and this is going to be the Bitcoin show. लेकिन again इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि मैं alt coins या meme coins trade नहीं करता. मैंने आपको अभी बताया कि मैंने 3.5x I did 3.5x on Kikius in one day. If you were in my masterclass, you would know. Then Chaos 9x in one day, 2 days. Again, join the masterclass. This is the best decision you can make अगर आप crypto market में interested हो, because एफर्ट्स के हार्ड वर्क के बगैर इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल। मैं उनमें से नहीं जो आपको ये कहे कि लाइंस लगाओ चार्ट्स पे, कोई एक्सचेंज ओपन करके एंड बटन्स क्लिक करो एंड यू आर गोना मेक मनी। मैं झूठ बोलने का मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है। I tell you the absolute reality, and the reality is you need education. Education is everything. Get educated. I'm there to guide you every step of the way क्योंकि मैं पैशन के साथ आपको टीच करना चाहता हूँ। I want to save you from degeneracy and convert you into an absolute money making professional. That is going to be it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow with another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis. Peace.